from a Social Media Today article by Andrew Hutchinson, who reports that Twitter is now allowing you to edit the banner photo for your Twitter lists. So I've created a ton of Twitter lists.
Me too.
And I have like ones for industries and prospective clients. I just use them for all kinds of different things. But now you can add the banner photo at the top of the Twitter list. You can edit that and upload your own photo, which is really cool. So what happens then is they used to have just these default images, but now you can add like branded image if you want to. But then when people share your list, and it makes it more appealing, obviously, with a good nice image, which would encourage people to share it, I would think. But when you share it, Twitter will display in the share the custom banner. It also displays the number of list members and the list owner for the Twitter list. So I did it. I'll put a how to do thing in the show notes. But I did it with an advertising experts list that I have, and I'm going to unlock. Most of my lists are private. I'm going to start unlocking them now.
Yeah.
So. Okay, so now I am going to show you how to add a custom photo to one of your Twitter lists. You can see I am logged into the eStrategy Twitter account, and I'm going to lists here, and here are all my lists. I've built a ton of them. I'm going to go down to Communication Pros, and we'll use that for this demonstration. So I opened up Communication Pros, and as you can see, there's an edit list. And within that, you can edit the title, you can edit the description, you can make it private, you can manage your members, but most significantly new to this is you can add a cover photo. So you can see that when I hover over the icon for the camera, it hovers, so that shows me that I can edit it, and I've already created a Strategic Communications Pros banner for this. Now you'll see that it fits perfectly in here. That's because I've edited it to the recommended 1500 pixels wide by 500 pixels tall dimensions. I've added a title for this and branded with eStrategy. Now if I move, you can crop it, but if I move it, you see, I've made it perfectly 1500 by 500, which is the dimensions you're supposed to use. But if you don't and you just want to upload a photo, you can use this to crop the photo to your liking. But that fits perfectly, so I'm going to apply that and crop thumbnail. Okay, now this I hadn't anticipated, but I'm going to do that right there. I'll have pros in the thumbnail there, and my eStrategy branding there. So I'll click apply there, and that's done. And it's as simple as that. Now you can see how it looks there, and I'm going to now go into a different account, go into my David Erickson account, and find that and share that list. So now that I'm logged into my David Erickson account, I'm going to go as eStrategy and go to the lists here and find my Communication Pros list. Where is it? Oh, that's my lists. I want eStrategy's lists. Okay, where do I find their lists? View lists. There we go. And there's Communications Pros. You can see that thumbnail shows up the way I wanted it to. I'm clicking on that, and there's the banner, and I can follow this, so I might as well follow my own list. But I also want to see what it looks like when I tweet it. So I can block. I don't want those. There's my copy link, tweet this. Okay, and Strategic Communication Professionals follow. And I'll tweet that, and then let's go back to my profile and see what that looks like, what that tweet looks like when somebody tweets your list. There we go. So that's what it looks like. It's got the banner photo. It says what the name of the list is, who the list creator is, and how many members are on that list. So there you go. Pretty easy.